Howdy, I'm CyberX with Outlandishly Crafted, and today I'm going to show you a concept called 3dAify. And so, what I have here is we're in Minecraft Bedrock Edition, and I'm using it to lay out my network. So this is how my network in my house or a network in your business might work. And so in 3D space, we can walk around and we can actually manipulate and change and lay out all of these things. So if we wanted to, we could put down a new line and we could rotate the line and we could change the color of the line and we could put down new images. So here we have the cloud. If you ever done networking, this is how you lay out your network. And then we have the connection through the ISP to our router or modem. And then we might have a router as well with a network switch in it. And then over here, we have our different equipment. So we might have our DVR, NVR. We might have a server. We might have our voice over IP system. We might have a smart home system. We might have a 3D printer. Then we might have a person over here that logs into that. Or maybe that's a workstation. Maybe we even have a desktop over here and here's our user. And then we might have something there. I don't know. Specialty equipment. Then we have our Wi-Fi side of this. So over here we have the Wi-Fi. And this is less secure. So you see how there's a threat system. So we have orange is higher threat, wired is lower threat, so it's green. And then over here you have Wi-Fi, which is a higher threat. And then you got your laptop, and you got your tablet, and you've got another tablet, and then you've got your wireless printer and scanner. And so there you go. There's your network. And so you have a whole bunch of these icons and little guys, and you lay them out and put them where you want. And in this case, we're doing a basic like 2D layout down. The reason we could do this is we could just keep going and keep going, and this is, you could talk to this guy and he could give you different options. So he could say, well, I would like to have different backgrounds, or I would like to have different tools. So I would like to get this kind of tool, or don't want to do a family tree. You can load and save your stuff using structure blocks. And then we could change, say we want it to be really bright. And so then we have a really bright background, and then we say we want to have like a clear. Then we could have like a clear ground and have it really nice and bright if we wanted to, or we could go and we could say, hey, no, I really want that to be tinted, and then we could have a nice tinted background instead. So that gives you an idea. This is just one type of chart. There's a billion different charts that people need to use, and I think it's silly that people that make video games use 2D software and apps to chart out the logic of their video game instead of using 3D space to do it. Because what this allows you to do is, say from the router, I can go up now. Then I can have another layer, and we can continue to grow the chart this way, maybe over time. Maybe it's multiple houses you have, or maybe you have a big business area, or maybe this is a family tree, and now you're extending up and out. So now it's a 3D family tree, which is a lot easier to do than a 2D tree, because it's very difficult to make a family tree in 2 dimensions. So this gives you a lot more ideas of how I think this add-on could work. So let me know. Again, I'm CyberX with Outlandishly Crafted. And this has been a demo of business charting and family charting. I think I could really see some corporate person at Mojang or Microsoft saying, man, I need to do this work. I need to chart out this business plan. And they're like, I just don't know what to use. And their kid's like, oh, why don't you just use Minecraft? I'll help you. And the kid and the parent get into Minecraft together and build a 3D diagram of their business plan or their project plan or their game story or their vacation that they're going to go on next year or their whatever it is. I mean, there's just their evacuation plan for their house. They could literally just take the extra blocks and build. Well, our house is over here and this is the neighborhood block and okay, well here's the plan. We're going to have you're going to start here and then you're going to go this way and then you're going to go this way and watch out. Oh, there's a fire alarm there and there's an extra phone here and there's a locked door and there's a fire extinguisher here. Um, and then, if it's laid out this way, you can just take a snapshot of it and print it. So, thanks for watching.